the way, when you hear a song you like, just say, I like this song, and I'll remember it.
Greetings. Tonight we're going to draw Xeno Dabura from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Xeno Dabura is one of the main protagonists in the Demigra arc when he helped fight against Mechikabura. At first, when we first saw Dabura, he wore blue, and well, since we're drawing the Super Dragon Ball Heroes edition of him, we're gonna draw him as his. We're gonna draw him in his true form as a demon god. Anyways, drawing Demigra is. I mean, what I meant to say was, when drawing Dabura, you must start at his head, then his beard. Now you just draw his horns. There we go. There's his head. Now we draw this mark on his chest. There. Now we draw his arm. Now we draw the abs. Here's his abs. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's the infinity mark on his chest. I meant his belt. Here's his arms. Now we draw the scabbard. Sorry about that. Here's the fingers. Now here's his sword. Next we draw his pants. Here's his fist. Here's his knuckles. Here's his pants. Now we draw the rest of his sword. We draw his pearl. And lastly, here's his cape. There we go. There we go. That's how you draw Xeno Dabura, demon god. We all know that, well, in Dragon Ball Z, when Dragon Ball Z Kai, the final chapters, when we saw Dabura, we discovered that he was never mean. He was just, to be honest, he was looking for a purpose. And when he went to King Yema's place, he found that purpose. That's when he sent him to heaven. What a nice guy. I've always wanted to see him again. And he's a true hero. Anyways, I'm glad you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later!